It's highly portable, compact in size, and similar to a thermos cup, can be disassembled for storage. No electricity required. Compared to our manual coffee press, its size is significantly reduced, ideal for outdoor scenarios like camping, business trips, and travel. Can also be placed on home desktops, creating a mobile coffee station which brew coffee anytime, anywhere, and unrestricted by power sources. Its operation is very simple. Just add coffee grounds and water, then press to extract. 3 steps total. No complicated adjustments needed. Beginners can get started quickly. Extraction completes within 3 minutes. Yes, it generates pressure through a manual lever, achieving 6 to 20 bars of adjustable pressure. An adjustable which fully extracts coffee, oils, and aroma. It produces rich crema with full-bodied flavor. Very convenient. The main unit is completely detachable. Can be rinsed directly. Prevents coffee residue buildup. Easy daily maintenance. A single serve output. Approximately 30 to 60 milliliters. Ideal for personal daily use. Can also make multiple servings by adding milk or water. And flexibly adapts to different scenarios.